Hey guys, Quinn and I are back today to show you how to do a bushel braid. A bushel braid is a really pretty braid and the technique is very similar to a pull-through braid. So for example, a 2-strand pull-through braid, you would use 2 strands or 2 sections to make the braid. But for a bushel braid, you're going to use about 10 sections or 10 strands. It's a much more intricate looking pull-through braid. It's a really pretty style. We're super excited to show you how to do it. So let's get started.
Begin by dividing a ponytail into equal top and bottom sections. Next, divide off a small section of hair on the bottom, and then divide off a small section of hair on top and drop it down next to it. Repeat, taking a small section from the bottom ponytail and adding it to the first, then taking another small section from the top ponytail and dropping it down again. Continue alternating, picking up a section from the bottom and then dropping down a section from the top. You can make these sections as thin or thick as you like. The thinner you make them, the more intricate this pull-through braid will look and will give it more of a bushel appearance. Once you've finished alternating all the sections, secure the pieces from the bottom up out of the way and then combine the pieces from the top with an elastic. Now you are back to your starting position working with a top and a bottom ponytail. Repeat, alternating, picking up small sections from the bottom while dropping down sections from the top. When done alternating all the sections, combine the lower sections with an elastic. Next, pause to slightly pull out each of the sections to create that bushel effect. I find that holding on to the lower elastic with one hand helps make this a little easier. Continue repeating this pattern down the braid. And that's it, you're all done. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on what we're doing next. Thanks so much!